I'd probably take you to a private little island, baby, that's right. And baby, share a snack that I like, and baby, I'll give you the best part.